Today I'll be teaching you guys how we guys can delete your TikTok videos without losing like. Now there is a method. Now what I'm going to do in short form is I'm going to make my TikTok video private, and once I make my TikTok video private, the TikTok video will disappear from my profile and it's going to be saved on this little lock area. All your private videos are going to be saved in this lock section. So what will happen is if you make your video private, you're not going to lose your like, because if you delete your video, of course you're going to lose the like because the video will be removed from your account along with its like. But if you private the video, then only you will be able to see the video, which means no one else will. And you are also not going to lose the like. It's still going to show you over here. So right now you can see my like is 34 in total. So I'm going to private one of my videos. So I'm going to see this video has 5 likes. So if I delete it, I will remove 5 likes and my total like should be 29. But if I private it, what it's going to happen is click on the 3 dot at the bottom right and scroll to the side, and you will see the privacy setting option. Click on privacy setting and click on only me. Once you choose only me, then this video has been privated. Now if I go back, as you guys can see, the video disappeared from my profile. So anyone who comes in my profile will not see that video. And as you guys can see, I still have 34 likes. But if I click on this lock area, the video will be available over here just for me to view it. That's how we guys can delete TikTok videos without losing like. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.